In this video, let me show you how to check your history balance on your Metrobank Online. First, open Metrobank app in your phone. Next, enter your email and password to log in. Now here, click the three lines icon at the top left of your screen. Click My Accounts that pop up. Next, click the account you want to check your history. Now scroll down and you can see now your transaction history. You can download statement by simply tapping on it. Also, you can download it as PDF or download it as a spreadsheet. Note the file is password protected, so follow the prompt so you can unlock it. You can also filter your transaction history, and there you go. That's how you check history balance on your Metrobank Online. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.